Hey everyone, this is WorkshopAddict. Today I'll show you where to find the VIN number and the OBD port on a Peugeot 3008. First, let's start from the front. With the hood open, walk to the windshield. The VIN number is located right under the glass, above the wiper area. You'll see it engraved or printed on a small plate. There's also another VIN marking on the right strut tower, right behind the coolant tank. It might be stamped directly on the metal or shown on a label. Now let's move inside the car to find the OBD port. It's located under the steering wheel on the left side. You'll need to remove a small plastic cover, and the OBD port becomes visible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick car tips.